Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am doing an assembling of the Hurom H320 juicer. And the Hurom juicer comes in different models. However, the H320 is definitely a model that I would use for my lifestyle. And there's definitely other models that you can choose from, so I will be sure to put that in the description. What we are going to first, we're going to go over the different pieces so you know what the different pieces are. So we have the power cord, okay? And we have the squeezing screw. I know it's very interesting name. Different juicers, like they'll have different names for the different pieces. This is called the squeezing screw. And this is the cleaning brush. And this is the pusher to push down the food. And you have strainers. So this is a fine strainer. And this is a more coarse strainer. So this would be like for smoothies and soups. And this is for fruits and vegetables and everything. And then you have the chamber. And that comes with the areas where the pulp will come out and the juice will come out. And then you have the hopper. And this is where you put in your lovely fruits and vegetables and things. And then you have the lid to the hopper that you would attach to the hopper. And then this is where you have the motor, assemble the different pieces. So first I am going to, and then I left out the spinning brush as well. Okay, so I'm going to take the fine strainer and I'm going to put it into the spinning brush. And it's pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to align it into the chamber where I see the indentations inside. You'll see indentations. And you'll see a bigger indentation and a smaller one. So you want to align them appropriately where you see on the strainer. So you will put the bigger piece that is protruding out with the indentation, the bigger indentation. And then you will take the squeezing screw and you would place it inside and make sure it's in there really good, because when you put everything together and you put it on the motor, it will not start if everything is not situated properly. Okay, so I'm just going to take the core strainer, I'm going to put it to the side. Now I'm going to take the hopper and I am going to look for the marking that is slightly protruding out on the side of the hopper. So I'm going to take the hopper and I'm going to look for the marking on the side that is protruding out a little bit, and I'm going to line it up with the guide mark that is on the side of the chamber. And you're going to see it next to a lock symbol and an unlock symbol. And I'm going to line it up with the unlock symbol first. So I'm going to line it up to make sure it's lined up with the unlock symbol. And then I'm going to turn it clockwise so that it eventually lines up with the lock symbol that you will see on the side. I'm going to take the hopper lid and I'm going to attach it to the hopper. And you have to make sure it's really on there, very secure. I want to take the hopper in the chamber and I'm going to place it onto the motor, the base. Okay, and everything is situated. And now I'm going to, this is for the juice and this is for the pulp. So this is the pulp cup. All right, so now we are going to see if it turns on and then we know that we did everything correctly. We are going to plug it in and it started. So we did everything correctly, and so this is what should happen when you assembled everything correctly with the H320. And so if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off before you unplug it in the front, and you can even press rev as well. As you can see, and that is it. I will definitely leave more information in the description, and I will definitely be sure to check out in the description for the code that you can purchase the H320. I want you to be sure to also check out the next video where I will give you 3 fall recipes using the Hurom H320. So be sure to check that video out, okay? 3 fall juices because fall is here and I'm looking forward to that. And be sure to check out my other juicing videos. I will definitely be doing a lot of the juicing videos I did with my other juicer, with this juicer, so I can give you my opinion on the difference as well. So I'm really excited about that. And so if you have any questions, be sure to drop them into the comment section. And I look forward to making a lot of lovely recipes with the H320. As always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace divine.